This is the brief on configuring the Intel NUC Hades Canyon. Setting up the specific mini PC is uniquely tricky. Why? Well, because it uses a rare hybrid of Intel and AMD hardware on the exact same chip. So standard auto updates will crash your system without a strict order of operations. First, we've got to start with the absolute foundation. You literally must manually install the Intel Chipset Device Software before anything else, even automated tools. Think of it kind of like a building's blueprint. If you don't lay that foundation, how can Windows even identify the hardware rooms on your motherboard? Second, let's tackle the NUC's split personality graphics. We need two drivers, an Intel one for low-power displays and an AMD Radeon RX Vega M for 3D gaming. Now wait, if it's an AMD GPU, shouldn't we just download the driver directly from AMD's website? No way, that's a trap. Intel actually sold this line to ASUS, so you absolutely must source these drivers from the ASUS NUC Support Portal to get the custom power sharing profiles. Finally, we must avoid the crash trigger that ruins everything: audio conflicts. Why does your audio have low volume or sound like popping popcorn? Well, Windows lazily installs a generic placeholder that doesn't speak the NUC-specific language, causing your HDMI display audio and Realtek headphone jacks to clash. By laying the chipset foundation first, sourcing the dual graphics drivers specifically from ASUS, and ditching generic Windows audio drivers, your rare hybrid machine is going to run absolutely flawlessly.